everyone. Today we are going to present a computer update. We are group of 6 and our presentation will cover the important aspects of the topic. Before beginning, let's introduce my team member. I am Nidappa and my friend are Mansa Katara, Divya Moreira, Ilhan Wari, Ranjit Reddy, and Cornas. As we all know that the physical parts components of the computer is a hardware. We can touch it and see it as well. For example, mouse and keyboard, the devices which we can touch and see. Now I would like to hand over this presentation to my friend Mansa. Thank you.
Thank you, Deva, for giving me the stage. Now I will discuss our computer hardware. The main categories of computer hardware like IPS cycle, also categories named after that. There are 4 types of computer hardware. They are input hardware, processing hardware, output hardware, and storage hardware. The examples of input hardware of the computer are keyboard and mouse. Keyboard is used to typing letters, numbers, and symbols. In it, we can give raw data to the computer. The next input device is mouse. Mouse is used to move cursor in the screen. We can click files and open it from another slide. My friend Renia will explain the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Manasa. Now moving forward. The more ways to input the processor are scanner, joystick, web camera, etc. Scanner is used to copy the original document into the computer. Joystick is used to play and to move the cursor in the screen. Web camera usually captures live images and photos and send it into the computer. The next one is processor. The processor of the computer is CPU, which is also known as the brain of the computer. The CPU processor converts the input and gives us result into the computer. Thank you. Now Irina will explain the next topic.
That was a great explanation by Renia. Now I will explain our CPU. The CPU is also divided into 3 parts: control unit, automatic logical unit, and memory unit. The control unit is known as the main brain of the computer because it controls all the devices and gives them instruction. And the automatic logical unit used for the solve all the math problems like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And the next one is memory unit, which keeps its memory of the computer like RAM, random access memory, ROM, read-only memory. Now talking about output hardware, the main device that gives us output is monitor. There are different types of monitor which can be used for the output like LCD, LED, OLED, and CRT. Nowadays we mostly use LED monitor in our computer system because it gives us soft copy output device in high quality. Thank you everyone. Now I would like to hand over this stage to my friend Karuna to continue the presentation.
Thank you, Irina, for your presentation. Now moving to the next topic. The overall output device is printers, which gives us 2 hard copy output. There are 2 types of printers. They are impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printers. These printers are little bit slow and makes noise while printing. The non-impact printers. The non-impact printers uses ink or lasers to print. That's why they print very fast without making noise with high quality. The printers gives hard copy output. Another output device is speakers. They gives us soft copy output. They take digital signals and process it in microprocessor and gives us sound as a soft copy output. Thank you for listening. Now I will talk about her topic.
Thank you, Karuna. That was a great explanation. Now let's talk about storage hardware. There are 2 types of storage hardware. There are primary and secondary. Primary memory is the main memory of computer like RAM memory. Secondary memory are hard disk, SSD, DVD, and pen drive. It keeps our data and files safely. Thank you everyone for listening to us. You all have learned something new today. We also have a wonderful time today. Thank you.